everyone. Before I proceed to this letter, allow me to congratulate you on behalf of our Grandmaster, Most Worshipful G. Shyam Matroka, and wishing you all the best for your Mason's journey. And the letter says, Dear Brother Tom, I am truly honored and delighted to extend my heartfelt congratulations to you for being chosen to receive the Hiram Award from your lodge. This accolade stands as the highest recognition a lodge can be bestowed upon a fellow brother, and your selection to receive it is a testament to your unwavering commitment and dedication to both our cherished fraternity and your lodge, serving as a source of inspiration to all. Our craft continues to flourish thanks to the selfless contributions made by brethren like yourself, both to your lodge and the broader community. Your steadfast adherence to the principles and tenets of Masonry, as well as your profound understanding of the teachings imparted at our altar, are commendable and serve as a shining example to those around you. The impact of service has been profound, enriching not only your lodge, but also your community and society as a whole. We are indebted to you for your valuable contributions, and we express our heartfelt gratitude. I am confident that you will wear the emblem of the Hiram Award with pride, symbolizing your exceptional service. I heartily applaud your lodge decision, recognizing you as a true exemplar of Masonic values. You embody the essence of Mason's Mason, and I encourage you to continue your understanding work. Freemasonry is undoubtedly enriched by having you as a dedicated member, and we are grateful for your unwavering commitment. Your continued contributions are invaluable to our beloved fraternity. Sincerely and fraternally, G. Shyam Matroka, Grand Master.